Jai Hind everybody, welcome to English class. So in this lecture we will learn how to write a report. Okay, that is report writing. We will learn the format and everything related to the report writing. Now the first thing is that what is report writing? A report writing is creating an account or statement that describes in detail an event, situation, or occurrence, usually as a result of observation or inquiry. The two most common forms of report writing are news report writing and academic report writing. Now, report writing it is an account, you can say, when we describe an event. Okay, describing an event or any situation, if you are a part of that event, or you can describe that situation with the help of eyewitness also. Okay, so that is a report writing, किसी के बारे में रिपोर्ट लिखना. लाइक इन न्यूज़ समटाइम्स यू सी कि कोई एक्सीडेंट हुआ है, तो एक्सीडेंट पे कोई भी एक पर्सन होता है न्यूज़ चैनल में जो कि रिपोर्ट पूरा बताता है अबाउट दैट एक्सीडेंट, कि वेयर दैट एक्सीडेंट टुक प्लेस. ओके, what was the place, then if there is any eyewitness, then that eyewitness also speaks ki what all happened. So this all the things, all the details are mentioned in a report writing. Okay, so now let's talk about another thing, that is about the format, you can say. Okay, what format we follow in report writing. Now in report writing also contains a format. एक फॉर्मेट है, स्पेसिफाइड फॉर्मेट है, जिसके अकॉर्डिंग हमें रिपोर्ट राइटिंग लिखनी होती है. एंड इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू फॉलो दैट, बिकॉज ईच एंड एवरी स्टेप ऑफ द फॉर्मेट कैरीज मार्क्स. ओके, हर स्टेप का मार्क्स होता है एंड दैट यू नीड टू फॉलो, अदरवाइज योर मार्क्स विल बी डिडक्टेड. ओके, नाउ द फर्स्ट थिंग इज़ दैट देयर हैज़ टू बी अ हेडिंग. ओके, एक शॉर्ट कंसाइज ब्रीफ हेडिंग होनी चाहिए रिलेटेड टू द इवेंट. ओके, सपोज फेयर पे लिखना है. ओके, फेयर, या फिर एनुअल फंक्शन पे रिपोर्ट लिखनी है. ओके, इट कैन बी, या फिर कोई भी एक्सीडेंट है, रोड एक्सीडेंट पे रिपोर्ट लिखनी है. सो देयर हैज़ टू बी अ हेडिंग indicating the what we are writing. Okay, that report is about what. Okay, and after that you have to mention the place, date, time, and all other relevant facts about the event. Okay, and the one more thing is that the writer, the name of the reporter, that also is very important while writing the format. So the first thing is that you need to mention the name, the heading of the event, then the name of the writer, then your date. Okay, name of the reporter I will say, then date, and then day and time. Okay, so you can see, mention the place, date, time, and other relevant facts about the event. Include information collected from the person around or affected by the event. So it includes everything. Means report जो है, it is a total of your view also. Suppose if you are a witness, अगर आप witness हो, अगर आप उस एक्सीडेंट की विटनेस हो, या फिर किसी इवेंट में आप थे, then you will write your view also, then the person who all were there. Okay, their views, and then if it is an accident, then the person affected by the event. Okay, affected by the event, if the person is there, then his or her view is also mentioned in the report writing. Or you can say कि everything related to that event should be there in report writing. Okay, now next is the name. Write the name of the writer. Okay, writer's name you need to write. Then provide a suitable heading or title, that we have already discussed. Write in past tense. This is very important. This you need to remember, because we are narrating a event or situation which has already happened, जो कि हो चुकी है, हम उसके बारे में लिख रहे हैं. सो इट हैज़ टू बी इन पास्ट टेंस. इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ये आपको पॉइंट याद रखना है वाइल राइटिंग, वाइल फ्रेमिंग योर सेंटेंस. जो भी सेंटेंस आप फ्रेम करें, इट हैज़ टू बी इन पास्ट टेंस. दिस इज़ एन एग्जाम्पल इज़ गिवन. ओके, कि हाउ टू फ्रेम अ रिपोर्ट, किस तरह हम रिपोर्ट को फ्रेम करते हैं, कि एग्जाम्पल दिया हुआ है. suppose this the heading is given, strike by Delhi doctors called off. Okay, so this is the heading of the report. Then you will mention the name of the writer, as you can see, Vinay Kumar Jha. Then the place where the event occurred, that is the New Delhi. Okay, the New Delhi where the event occur, you have to write the place only, Lucknow or Sultanpur, whatever. Then you will write the day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, comma, and then date should be in alphanumeric. Again I am specifying this because in all the writing formats in English, the date has to be in alphanumeric. This you need to remember. Okay, and after that comes the body of the report, that is the content आ जाएगा पूरा. Okay, so and the content जो content होगा, it has to be in past tense. Okay, that you have to write whatever. If you are explaining the event जो है past tense में ही होने चाहिए. Okay, now आगे बात करते हैं. The word limit of the report is usually 100 to 150 words. So that is also specified in the question में दिया रहेगा word limit. You have to stick to that word limit. Any deviation may cause your decrease in the marks. Okay, कुछ भी आपने deviation किया तो आपके marks deduct हो जाएंगे. A report is normally marked out of 20. The division is 15 marks for the content, 5 for the format. The format includes the heading, name of the reporter, date and use of paragraphs. Okay, now the content जो है, content has to be broken in paragraph. At least 2 to 3 paragraphs होने चाहिए. This is also very must. Okay, the content जो है, it has to be divided in paragraphs. So इन सब पे based आपको marks मिलेंगे, and it depends कि report can be of 5 marks also for lower class, और बोर्ड एग्ज़ाम में 20 मार्क्स का भी आता है. ओके, सो अकॉर्डिंगली जो फॉर्मेट होगा, इफ़ इट इज़ ऑफ 5 मार्क्स, then 3 marks will be for the content and 2 marks will be for the everything, your layout, format, then accuracy and everything. Okay, so and each and every step carries marks, so you have to be very much particular. In the question or report writing, some guidelines will always be given. It is imperative to touch upon all the points and to maintain the sequence of events. Any digression from these rules may result in the loss of marks from the format. So in the question of the report writing, okay, there will be some hint will be given, some guidelines will be given. Okay, कुछ keywords दिए रहेंगे related to that event, and it is compulsory, it is important to add those keywords in your writing. It is good, in fact I will say, because it will add your marks. Okay, अगर आप उन guidelines को add करेंगे, and it is mandatory also कि you have to build up your report by adding these guidelines only. Okay, then only you will score good marks. If you will not include, then maybe your marks are deducted. आप अपने आप से कुछ चीज़ें ऐड कर लेंगे, so हो सकता है आपके मार्क्स डिडक्ट भी हो जाएं if it is irrelevant, अगर वो relevant नहीं है बिल्कुल भी. So it is always there कि guidelines जो हैं, कुछ hints जो हैं वो दी रहती हैं along with the question of report के question के साथ guidelines दी रही होंगी, and you have to follow these guidelines, and then only you have to build up your report step by step. Okay, एक order में, एक sequence में हमें report लिखना, ये नहीं कि हम कोई points पहले लिख दें, फिर उसको सम अप करने के लिए लास्ट में फिर कुछ याद आ जाए कि पहले ये हुआ था, उसको हमने कंक्लूड कर दिया है, देन यू आर राइटिंग मेंशनिंग दोज पॉइंट. नो, कंक्लूजन है तो कंक्लूजन शुड बी एट द एंड ओनली. ओके, इंट्रोडक्शन शुड बी इन द बिगनिंग. Okay, now next move on to few more things. Report are always written in indirect speech, that you all are familiar, direct and indirect speech, unless a person is being quoted as an eyewitness or an authority on the subject. If it is a eyewitness, then you will quote the lines. अगर आई विटनेस है कोई तो आप उसकी लाइन्स को कोट करेंगे. अदरवाइज यू नीड टू राइट इट इन इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. द पैसिव वॉइस शुड बी यूज्ड एंड देयर शुड बी नो यूज़ ऑफ पर्सनल प्रोनाउन. पैसिव वॉइस भी यूज़ होएगी इसमें. ओके, दैट मीन्स कि आप थर्ड फॉर्म यूज़ करोगे वर्ब का. ओके, एंड नो यूज़ ऑफ फर्स्ट पर्सन. आई का यूज़ नहीं होगा. पर्सनल प्रोनाउन का personal pronoun you are not going to use in this. If necessary, the phrase the reporter or the correspondent may be used. अगर बहुत necessary है तो आप the reporter word use कर सकते हो, but you will not use the personal pronoun I. Personal opinions may be given only if specifically asked for. Okay, that I have already told you कि personal opinions आपको नहीं देने. अगर पूछा गया है and you are the you have attended that event also, then only you can give your personal opinion. Start a report directly with the topic. No elaborate introduction is required. Okay, so you need to start the report with the direct topic. That means nothing, no elaboration, no introduction is required. आपको straight away जो भी पूछा गया उसके बारे में शुरू कर देंगे, like in notice. ठीक है, आपको कोई कहानी कुछ भी आपको इंट्रोडक्शन या इस तरह बिल्डअप नहीं करना है. ओके, स्ट्रेट अवे अगर एक्सीडेंट है तो आप एक्सीडेंट के सीन को डिस्क्राइब करोगे, आप प्लेस बताओगे, कब हुआ, ओके, क्या क्या हुआ, व्हाट वर द लॉसेस एंड एवरीथिंग, क्या क्या लॉसेस हुए थे एंड एवरीथिंग यू विल डिस्क्राइब. कौन कौन इफेक्ट हुआ, क्या कोई कैजुअलिटी हुई. इट्स लाइक दैट, ओनली रिलेटेड टू द topic, no deviation. Any deviation may deduct your marks. The language used in report is matter of fact and not ornamented with simile and metaphor. So no beautifying the no beautiful language, no ornamenting the words. That means यहाँ figure of speech कोई नहीं use होती है. Straight away you will write the content, you will write the matter only. Okay, no, nothing like that. All relevant points should be narrated in the proper sequence. You have to maintain the sequence. An account by an eyewitness should be included. Okay, if if there is any eyewitness, then you can add his account also. Okay, that is about the little bit about the format, how to build up the report writing. Okay, so I hope you all have understood the format and the procedure, the sequence, how to write the report writing. Okay, this is all. Thank you everybody.